Hi everyone, today is the Chapter 3 test. Want to make sure that you remember that by midnight tonight that we have our Chapter 3 materials due. So we should already have and looked at all of our Chapter 3 homeworks. Those are due. All of our Chapter 3 quizzes, all in Math Excel. And then what we worked on yesterday are Chapter 3 review homework. So those things are all should be done. And you just want to make sure that you take the chance today to double check because like it says, this is everything that is due at midnight tonight, and I will grade those tomorrow on Friday. Okay. The new thing for you today is your Chapter 3 test. So you want to make sure that you go to Math Excel and make sure that you take your Chapter 3 test. In addition to that, when you finish your Chapter 3 test, we are going to do a little intro into Chapter 4. There will not be an assignment, but there will be some notes that we'll use for an assignment in our next module. And so you will need your note-taking guide, and you will actually be doing pages 78, 79, and 80. And then we'll be using that material next week. If I don't see you before then, have a good weekend. Canvas message me if you have a question and I can try to answer it. Have a good day.